Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm unboxing my spring FabFitFun box. I love unboxing this box because choice is so far ahead from when you actually get the box that they usually the whole box is a surprise. I do not remember anything I picked from the choice from this. I don't know what the regular options are. I don't really look at spoilers for FabFitFun, and it's not really spoilers. I don't look on any of the, I don't know, I don't really follow their Instagram page. And I found that I like that because I just get a lot of surprises. So here is the spring FabFitFun box. Super pretty box with the butterflies. I love this. This is one that I'll be keeping to store other things in because it's so pretty. Before I get into this, I did get a few add-ons, so I'm going to share with you what I got for add-ons. So if you are not familiar with FabFitFun or just want a little more information on it, it is a quarterly subscription box. So they have a box with each season, and they have products in the box that go with the season, and they range anywhere from household items, beauty products, makeup, health, just all different kinds of products, which also makes it a little more fun. There's a little something for everyone, for every area of your life. And then they also have a customization period. So there's a period before the box ships out where you get to pick different products. So usually there's like 3 or 4 products and you pick which one you want to get for it. I do believe that if you are an annual subscriber, you get more customization products than everyone else. Not really sure. Or maybe you just get to do it first, so there's typically all the options there, I think. Unless it's changed. I've always been an annual subscriber, so I've always had the maximum options of customization. For the add-ons, I've been really, really good with my add-on pop-up sale, edit sale kinds of orders lately, with really being thoughtful about what I purchased. So I got 2 of these, and I'll tell you why. Where's my other one? These are the 2 that I got, and I got it, and I want to say these were $14.99. So the tea that comes in it is the skinny tea, and this helps to level your energy throughout the day. I have been drinking this every day. This on its own is $25. So the set was $15, but then I have 2 people that I want to give these to gifts for. So I got the gift, and then I also got 2 more sets of the skinny tea. So I'm going to keep the skinny tea and give the tumbler as gifts to people. So that's why I picked up 2 of those, because it was just such a good deal to get that tea. And then I also got this set. This is the butterfly tea set. It comes with one of these loose leaf tea infusers. It comes with some honey spoons, which I thought was kind of fun to try. I don't know what the value of this is. I'm going to say it's probably around a $50 value if you got it on Temu. And I want to say this was also $14.99. But what I was really excited about was the butterfly tea. So this is jasmine infused. So I looked up all the different, there were tons of Temu teas in the add-ons, and I looked them up on the Temu tea site just to find out about them. This one changes colors depending on what you add to it. So if you add lemon juice, it changes purple, and then it's naturally blue. So I don't know. I thought it was cool, and it was a good deal to get that with it. And then you get 6 of the honey spoons. I always put honey in my tea, so I will definitely get use out of that. And the steeper. So for $14, that's a really good deal. The last thing that I got are these 3 cloth resistance bands. I use these in my Beachbody workouts, and I always get my workout gear from FabFitFun add-on or FabFitFun edit sales because they are such a good deal. Speaking of, I just got an email last night that they're now going to have like a food, what was it? It was like wine and dine edit sale with FabFitFun, and there is a strainer in there that I really want. We didn't get to see everything that's in the sale, but I can't wait to see everything that's in that wine and dine one. So this is what one of the bands look like, and these are going to be so much better. And this was probably, I want to say this was around $10. I can never remember the actual price. Oh, that says light, but that feels harder than the heavy one. These are so much better quality than the plastic ones you get. I've actually had some of those plastic rubber ones break on me when I've been working out. So these cloth ones are going to be so durable and last a while. Okay, that's everything I got from the add-on. So all stuff that I'm going to use. I didn't pick up anything that I don't need or use. All right. So in each FabFitFun box, you always get the magazine. It shows everything that's in the box. It kind of gives tips, tricks to use the different products, and then it's got the different options that were available as well. So I'm going to use that to look and see what the options were. Okay, the first thing I've got is a 3-Skin Rose Gold Radiance Booster. I have never heard of this. I have never heard of this before. I chose it though. It is 0.68 ounces and it's a $135 value. Ooh, really pretty. It says, enhance your skin's natural radiance with this blend of rose extract and pure gold. Oh, well, no wonder it's so expensive. There's pure gold in it. All right, so let's just kind of, I feel like that gave a little luminosity to my skin. So I would probably use that underneath my foundation during the day. The other options, let's look at, I always like to look at why I picked this one. The other options were, ooh, I wonder what I got for one. The other options were, we had a 3 set of packing cubes, an umbrella, a Tarte palette, Tarte H2O moisturizer, or a Murad Resurgence. So those were the options for that. So obviously I know why I got that, because I don't really need anything else that's on there. I'm excited to try that and see how it looks. Ooh, look. You can't, I don't know if you can see it in the video camera, but I can see it in person. This is the one that has it on it. I feel like it looks kind of nicer. I don't know. All right, next is this. Okay. All right, so this is what I got for option 1. A Revive Light Therapy Wrinkle Treatment. This is so interesting. Stimulate collagen and elastin with this multi-wave light device. I will definitely be trying this out. So the other things you could have gotten were a rib sweater, a rug, a tote, a set of bowls, or an Elmis Peptide Night Recovery Cream Oil. I love the Elmis skincare brand, and that was the other thing I was kind of looking at getting. I mean, if you have the chance to try one of these, for sure. This is a $68 value, so let's see what it does. Infrared light, red light, amber light. Our lights tackle fine lines, wrinkles, loss of firmness, elasticity, skin dullness, and uneven skin tone. I really haven't heard anything about light therapy for the skin, but I mean, you see infomercials and stuff about it. So we are going to give that one a try. Pure Release Watermelon 2-minute polishing peel. I am so tired of getting peels in my boxes. I, first of all, don't really like them. And I can never use this many unless it were for, no, it's not for feet. If it were for feet, I wouldn't mind it. So benefits of watermelon: moisturize skin, promote brighter skin. Beets are good for damaged skin. Purple carrot nourishes skin and keeps it hydrated, except it says that it's a polishing peel. I do not remember picking this. I don't think so. This must have been like an option and they chose for you, because I would have picked 8A was a Winky Luxe Rainbow Lip Balm, and I definitely would have picked that over this. And then the other choice for this was in Thermal Water Face Spray, and I wouldn't have picked that. I would have picked the Winky Luxe Lip Balm for sure. I don't know if I'm going to keep this or if I'm going to end up putting this in a giveaway. Maybe it's a gently exfoliating one. Okay, I've changed my mind. I'm going to give it a try. It does sound kind of fun. It says it's a gentle exfoliator. You just leave it on for 2 minutes. So, you know what? We're going to give it a try. But I know I didn't choose that one. Definitely. Okay. Next, I've got the Deep Sleep Body Cocoon. Yes, massage nightly into hands and body and breathe in deeply. Is this lavender or something? Let's see what this says. So this was a choice. So the choices between this one were either this, use this cream to bring calm and relaxation while nourishing your skin. Well, I could always use some of that. This is a $40 value. The Pure Release exfoliator is a $35 value. The other thing you could have chose was a Wish Blue Matcha Restoring Mask. So there's another mask, which is why I didn't choose that one and I chose this instead. Definitely will get some good use out of a body cream. All right, next. Oh, that's fun. Silicone straws. This set includes 4 straws, a brush cleaner, and a carrying case. How? Can I get a picture on how that's a carrying case? I'm so confused. I love that there's that brush cleaner in there. I'll definitely get use out of this. This is a $15 value. The other thing you could have got was a Wonder Beauty mascara. I've tried plenty of those and don't like them. I didn't need that one. Or a Spongelli body wash. I don't think I chose this either. I kind of feel like this was also an option then they chose for you, because I'm not upset with this choice, but I don't think I would have chosen it. I still need to figure, like, for real, what are you carrying in this? Let's see if there's a picture. Eco-friendly set comes with 4 straws, a blush cleaner, and a portable case, so you can clip them to your keys and be ready to sip delicious spritz on the go. Oh, I guess that is so weird. That's so weird. Oh, those are nice though. Those aren't like, I have some silicone straws that are junk. I guess you put this in your drink and then you put your keys right there. That is so strange. Come on now. Who's doing that? Okay, let's see what else we've got. Next, I have got the Aveda Damage Ready Daily Hair Repair. Let's see what our choices were here, because this is a really weird choice for me as well. If there's something better, I'm going to be upset. So the options for 4 were either a brush, a detangling brush, a body oil, a tea towel set, or okay, now it makes sense. Out of those 4, this is definitely what I would have chosen. Okay, so this one is instantly repair and protect your hair from heat styling up to 450 degrees. Apply in damp hair. So it's like a leave-in conditioner that you would put in before you blow dry your hair. And I do use one of those every day, so I will definitely get good use out of this. It is a $31 value. Ooh, this is exciting. Scandinavia setting spray. That's not even in here as something. Okay, let me see what else I got so I can see what option this was. So I've got this necklace. This was 3. You could either get the double coin necklace, a gravity weighted sleep mask. Oh, that would drive me insane. 2-in-1 glow mask. Oh, so that's another face mask. Or the cosmetic Pure C vitamin C mixing powder, which I already have one of those from Neogen, and I have the cosmetics one. Or a green goo hibiscus body scrub. So I picked out the necklace, and it's just a pretty gold necklace. And that is a $50 value. Oh my gosh. So I've got to figure out where this Scandinavia... Okay, I got it. This was the 5th thing, but it is nowhere in here. So let me tell you the different options that you could have picked out for number 5. An AG fast food leave-in conditioner, a hand wash, a Love Script body wash. None of those sound very interesting so far. A Bluetooth wireless speaker, a Ciate London liquid liner, or a salt and pepper shaker. So I don't know where this came out with in the choices, but this is my absolute favorite setting spray ever. This is the makeup finishing spray from Scandinavia. So I'm super excited to have that. Maybe they ran out of it really close to when customizations opened, so they switched it for their magazine. I don't know. All right, it is time to find out how much all of this stuff costs and what I would rank the box as costing in terms of what I would actually go out and purchase, so we can see if this box is worth it. I have a feeling it's definitely going to be worth it. So my box is a total value of almost $400. I'm pretty sure that's the most expensive my box has ever been. Your box could have ranged anywhere from $232 to $503. Oh my gosh, look at this. right here it says what the picks are. So the picks 1 and 2 were for all members. Picks 1, 2, and 3 were for all members. Picks 4 and 5 were select members. So if you're a select member, I think that means that you have an annual subscription. And then picks 6, 7, and 8 were picked by FabFitFun. So that was, let's see how they did. That was the lotion that I got, which I think that was probably a good choice for me. That was this Pure Lease face mask and the silicone straw. So all things that I didn't remember picking out or why I picked them were not picked by me. They were picked by FabFitFun. That makes so much sense. All right, so now let's go ahead and see what it was worth to me. I think a pack of 4 silicone straws for me is about $5. I'm sure they cost more, but I wouldn't have gone out and bought them, but we'll definitely use them. So we'll start off with $5. This one I'm going to give a $0 value to because I would not have bought it. That's the Face Gentle Exfoliator from Pure Lease. This light, well, it's all going to depend on how it works. It is, I think it's valued at $70, but let's say I were just to go and like make an appointment to try out a light facial and it was $20. That's the value I'm going to give this because I don't know if it's going to work, but it's definitely something I would consider trying at a price of $20. So we're up to $25 value. For a skin booster, which I would also equate to a glow kind of serum, I would spend about $20, $25 on it. So we're up to about $50, which is the price of the box. So far it's worth it. We have got a damage hair repair. I use this every day and I spend between $10 and $15 depending on if it's on sale or not. So we're up to about $60. For a, what is this? This is a 4 ounce. I would say $15 is what I would spend on this. I do usually get mine on sale. So what are we up to? 75? 3 ounces of body cream. I would say $5 is what I could probably get it for if I were shopping at Bath & Body Works or something. It does say it's $31. I would never spend that on body lotion. So we're up to about $80. And for a cute little necklace, I would spend, I don't know, let's say $10. It's a $50 value. I don't spend a lot of money on jewelry, but I do look for good sales to have different kinds of pieces of jewelry. So this one is, what did I say, $10. So we're up to like $90, $95 value for me. So this box is definitely worth it. Typically, I'm going to put the necklace on and see where it hits and what it looks like. Typically, when I give value to the boxes in terms of what I would spend on them, they are never that high above what the box actually costs. Even like my BoxyCharm boxes aren't usually double what the box costs. And this one, for me, I'm getting double the value out of, so definitely worth it. All right, so here is where the necklace hits. Oh, you could definitely wear it backwards too. So you could either do like the coiny, that's what my daughter calls it, the coiny, or you could do this more slicker side on the back. But there's where the necklace hits, and I have it all the way as tight, I think, as it can go around my neck. I am wearing the Flare palette from Ace Beauté today. I got this in the BoxyCharm pop-up sale, and it is either up on my channel or it's going to be the next video that's up on my channel. Not this look, another look using it. I just put that one on today, just so you guys know what I'm wearing. Okay, so that is everything for my FabFitFun box for the spring. It's always so sad once it's opened and I know what's in it because it's not a fun surprise anymore. But I'm super excited about what I got with this box. I am going to link down below if you want to check it out. There will be a $10 off code. I'm sure it's something spring, but I need to look it up and see what it is. So it'll be down below what that code is, and then you get $10 off of your first box if you want to sign up for FabFitFun. I am sure you can probably still get the spring box because it just shipped out. So thank you guys so much for joining me. I hope you guys have an awesome weekend, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.